Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to create an onboarding flow here in Zoho People. All right, so first up, go to log into your admin account. Now go to the top right and click on the gear icon. Right here, what you'll do is just go to find onboarding. All right, as you can see here, the first service is onboarding. You can click on it. Now in here, just make sure that candidate onboarding is enabled. Employee onboarding is enabled as well. Now, when you go ahead over to candidate onboarding, you have the flow here. So you can go ahead and add in a portal name. Okay. That it says here, the candidate portal link will be generated based on the name given here. It'll be shared to the candidate in their welcome email. Let's say candidate portal 999. Hit on save right here. It says updated successfully. Now, once that's done, you can actually click on it to edit it. Okay, you have the homepage video URL. You can go ahead and add in your link right here and then select the HR partner. Okay, you can go ahead over to profiles, like add in description, the forms needed right here, add a form, documents and policies. If you want to, you can go ahead and enable this one and just add in your documents. Okay, now checklist, you can go ahead and add in checklist or your existing checklist. And once that's done, you can go ahead and preview right here at the bottom right, or just hit on save. All right, and there you have it. That is how you create an onboarding flow here in Zoho People. Now, in the next video, we're going to talk about how to trigger the onboarding, okay, using Zoho People. But that's it for now. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.